Manual override is only needed on GB250 and GB251 if the connected battery is too low to be detected, so it is important to know when and how to use it properly. Note that manual override does not provide any additional power. It simply removes auto detection and safety features. If the unit is powered on and the charge LEDs do not chase, it means that boost is not detecting a battery. First, double-check that the clamps are connected securely. If the unit still does not detect a battery, it may mean the battery is too low to be detected. In this case, manual override is required to jumpstart the vehicle. Before continuing, remember that activating manual override will disable safety features, including spark-proof and reverse polarity protection. Manual override should only be used with extreme caution. To activate manual override, press and hold the manual override button until the charge LEDs start to chase. The charge LEDs will chase, indicating that boost is ready to jumpstart. Start the vehicle. Once the vehicle is on, power off boost and disconnect the clamps from the battery.